Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Nice to meet you, dear children. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is from SHT Industries. Today I am going to introduce you about this topic, and the rest of our topics are factor required for the industries, types of industries. There are the two types of industries are there. First one is the agro based industries and the second one is the mineral based industry. Today I am going to discuss with you on these topics. Industries in an organized human effort and skill to produce something useful form the gift of nature or from the primary factor. It refers to the manufacturing process. We use many things in our daily life. Most of the things we use are made in factories or industries, and industry processes are raw material into an useful finished product with the help of human labor and machines. From the simplest pencil to the most updated computer or mobile phone, everything is made up of an industry. If, for example, we get iron from an ore. If it is then processed or remove its impurities to convert into an steel, then it is turned into a tool. For example, we get iron in the form of an ore. It is then processed to remove its impurities to convert into in steel. Then it is turned into a tool, machine or any other useful things. For example, we get iron in the form of an ore. It is then processed to remove its impurities to convert into an steel. Then it is turned into a tool, machine or any other useful things. Factor required for the industries. The location of an industry depends upon various requirements such as raw material, labor, power machine, transport and finance. Most industries most most industries are located near the source of their raw material that enables the industry to get hold of the best quality of the raw material and save other transport cost. There are various forms of labor required to run an industry. So the industry are located where skilled labor simply is available. To run machines, an industry needs power, so it is located where the power supply is to interrupted. Industries are located in a place where the best transport network, because availability of a good transport system is very important factor in determining where the industries are set up. Every industry is need of finance for purchasing machines, power and raw material, and also for the paying wages and meeting transportation costs, etc. Therefore, there should be proper banking and finance facilities around the industries. Types of industry. There are the two types of industries. First one is the agro-based industries and the second one is the mineral-based industries. Depending upon the raw material used, the industries can be divided into two types: agro-based industries, mineral-based and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries. These industries are usually product as the raw material. Cotton, textile, food, processing, sugar, etc. are some example of agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries. These industries are useful as the raw material. Iron and steel, electric goods, oil refineries, etc. are some example of mineral-based industries. Depending upon the size, capital, kinds of machine and the number of labor, we can divide industries into three types: cottage industries, small scale industries and the large scale industries. Cottage industries, industries that are generally set up at home in which few peoples or work, are called cottage industries. Mostly the workers engaged in such industries belong to the same family. They use the raw materials which is easily available nearby. These industries require a small capital. Such industries include by toy making, basket making, carpet weaving, poetry, handloom, handicrafts, etc. Small scale industries. Small scale industries are generally set up on a small scale. They require unskilled or semi-skilled workers. These industries produce large quantities of finished goods with the help of small machines. Such industries include soap, hosiery, electronic goods, utensil, plastic goods, etc. Dear children, rest of your topic we will discuss in our next video. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.